Oh, hell no.
Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video.
Are you serious, my brother?
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, go and make yourself comfortable, make yourself at home. I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, yeah, that's much better.
That's not yours?
Hell yeah, it's mine. I paid for it. Better be mine. Shit, I still got the receipt. I might take it back. I get a goatee or something. Go ahead, put this up. You straight?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
So I see you work out a lot.
I mean, sometimes.
Yeah?
I wanna come up off it. It's kind of hot. Know what I mean?
What's that?
Look, relax, shorty. Don't even act like that. I'm sure your hair ain't real.
Oh my god!
So stop.
Oh hell no, I can't do this.
Was like that, and you're like, short dudes, come here.
What?
我想到办法了。啥办法？你发现没？帮俺治那神经病，看完病人那些家属，他就不会过问，可以自由出入。哦，办成家属。
站着！
不要紧张，站那儿。
你表掉了，
哦，谢谢谢谢。
这表是限量款哦，哪儿买的？
哦，这是我在德国上买的，里面啥款式都有，大牌保证。点你评论区领完新人福利太划算。
哦，谢了，出去嘛。
站长，我有有人。
站着，你这样的。
我啥么娃娃呀？爸爸。
妈咪，你有没忍我？
哎，
妈咪，
哎，
出门在外要看好自己的孩子，出去嘛。
好，谢谢谢谢。
对了，逃出去后，这条原封我就用不到了，是退给你哇。
哎呦我的妈
！We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Eh?
Huh? 有人。
哎呦我的妈！
你别笑。
哎呦我的妈！